evening. This is Carmine. I am the president of Carmine's Import Service to give you an update. It is the 18th. It's Wednesday. We're having a pretty good day. We are getting things done. So the cleaning continues. The disinfecting continues. This COVID-19, it continues. We have reserved some disinfectants. We've been working around the clock with our vendors to get things in order. We just got a shipment of this pink top product here. It's a hospital hotel grade chemical, and it kills all kinds of infectious disease. We are using products from that company, BG, and we just got shipments of the miniature little bottles as well. More of these. We reserve them for the customers. So as customers come in and they get certain services done on their car, they may request, depending on what service they get done, they may request a bottle of this. So it's limited supply, but we do have them. And I mean, they're little 1 ounce bottles, but they're pretty good size. And the blue one has a fragrance to it, and the purple one smells more like alcohol, like rubbing alcohol, which is not a bad thing in some cases. I mean, it's a clean smell. So bathrooms, lobby, door handles, equipment, lifts, they're all the staff is taking care of it. These guys are unbelievable, absolutely unbelievable. So they're cleaning everything. They're making sure that the loaner cars are disinfected before they go out. If you need a loaner car, request a loaner car. We'll put you on the wait list if we have to. We'll do whatever we can. We'll shuttle you back to your house. If you don't want to come in, we will pick up the car, then drop it off when it's done. We have a digitally based system in here. So, estimates and pictures and things that are wrong with your car, you're going to be able to see everything. You don't physically have to be here for any of the process. The car does, but you don't. We have remote services for every single part of the transaction that happens here for you. So you don't have to worry about any of it. You don't have to worry about, how am I going to pay for this? How am I going to do this? We have systems in place for you to do this remotely. So everything is set up to be easy. So text your appointments in, schedule, call us on the phone, after hours answering services there for you with a live person. So you're not going to get this, press 1 for service, press 2 for parts. We don't. That's not what we do here. And keep yourself out of the bigger establishments. Follow the laws, the regulations, and especially the senior citizens, making sure that they don't go out and get sick. They're more susceptible to getting the virus. So especially request, don't be afraid, just ask us. I need my car picked up, no problem, we don't mind. 20 miles, 30 miles, 40 miles away, whatever it may be, we'll come get the car, it's no problem. We do it all the time, and we'll do it now. There's no charge for it. We'll come get it. It's included, it's part of what we do. So the website, there's a logo on the front. It's in the shape of a heart, I believe. COVID-19, you click it, and there's some information on there. There'll be more posted. The text numbers up there, the voice numbers up there, the email addresses are up there. There's lots of information on the website. The Facebook page, constantly posting stuff up there as well. So the web company is doing a great job. Doing a great job of that. We constantly have information coming in from the associations that we belong to from the automotive environment nationally, and getting updates from our friends across the country. And they have it, some of the states have it, a lot worse than others. Of course, everybody's aware of that. So we are also working to help other shops. We're part of a pretty large group of people that we're a network, Bosch network. We're going to help each other out and make sure that the shops in California and Washington and New York and other bigger places that are getting hit harder, that they're taken care of. They're our friends, our colleagues. They have families, and their employees as well, making sure that their employees are keeping their jobs and disease is not spreading, and doing what we can moving forward. This is not an easy situation. So we're doing what we can, but we'll keep you updated. From time to time. These videos are good just to keep everybody abreast of what's going on. I would recommend checking with the CDC, the government websites, North Carolina, and instead of, and I'm talking about for important information, what is the law? Well, who is closed? Who is open? Who plans to do this? Who plans to do that? Maybe you might not want to ask your neighbor. Maybe not even get your answer off Facebook. I would go to these government official, factual websites, and make sure you're getting the correct information, and not just getting a random rumor. It's important that you get the right information up front, and get told the truth about what's going on. So you want to stay aware, and if you need us, we're here for you. And you just got to give us a call, and we'll take care of the rest. Have a good day.